creating a functional and exciting and overwhelming. Whether you're working with limited space or aiming for professional-grade organization, the right strategies can make all the difference. This guide blends innovative DIY solutions with expert advice on essential tools, safety measures, and space optimization to help you design a workspace that fosters both productivity and mental clarity. Repurpose, reuse, and innovate for efficiency. Maximizing your workspace begins with smart, budget-friendly hacks. For example, an old vacuum cleaner can be transformed into a retractable extension cord, providing a tidy and accessible power solution for tools. Similarly, repurposing a drill into a paint mixer saves time and ensures consistent results, with the added benefit of hands-free automation using plastic ties. These ingenious upgrades not only improve functionality but also keep your workspace clutter-free, promoting a more focused and clear mind while working. Essential tools and space-saving solutions. Every workshop needs a core set of tools, but overspending can be avoided with thoughtful planning. Ralph's trusted recommendations emphasize buying only what you need while sourcing from budget-friendly suppliers. Combine this with wall-mounted racks and shelves to maximize floor space and keep essential tools like drills and angle grinders easily accessible. A well-organized space not only streamlines workflows but also supports mental clarity by reducing the frustration of misplaced items and clutter. Optimized shop layouts and essentials for well-being. A smart layout can transform even the smallest space into a powerhouse of productivity. Space-saving designs, paired with essentials like proper lighting and ventilation, enhance the comfort and functionality of your workshop. Well-lit areas reduce eye strain, while effective soundproofing and dust prevention create a safer, more enjoyable environment. These thoughtful additions support not just physical safety but also mental well-being, allowing you to work with peace of mind. Affordable security and safety tips. Safety is paramount in any workspace. DIY security systems, such as using an old mobile phone as a motion detection alarm, provide peace of mind without breaking the bank. Additionally, expert safety tips, ranging from proper tool handling to dust control, can help you avoid common hazards. A secure and hazard-free workspace eliminates distractions and fosters a clear, focused mindset. With these practical strategies, you can create a workshop that's efficient, organized, and supportive of mental clarity. By combining innovative DIY solutions, expert tool recommendations, and attention to workspace essentials, you'll build an environment that not only enhances productivity but also brings a sense of calm and purpose to every project.